Ready to see what everyone's adding to their kitchen this season? These new and seriously useful Amazon gadgets are changing how people cook, clean, and stay organized. From quick prep tools to genius space savers, each one is designed to make your kitchen routine effortless. All the products are linked in the description below. Ever wonder why bar drinks always look cooler than homemade ones? This premium ice ball mold gives you that same crystal clear perfection right in your freezer. It forms two large, flawless ice spheres that melt slowly, keeping your whiskey or cocktails chilled without watering them down. The flexible silicone makes removal super easy, and it even comes with a handy storage bag so you're always stocked for your next drink. Make food prep faster and easier with this powerful electric cheese grater. Its 250-watt motor instantly slices, shreds, or grates your favorite ingredients, even makes crumbs and fries. With 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades, you can choose the perfect cut for any recipe. A one-button design and wide inlet make operation simple and efficient. Cleanup is easy too. Just rinse the detachable parts and wipe the base, and you're ready for the next meal. Tired of oil popping all over your stove? This foldable silicone splatter screen keeps your kitchen spotless while letting you cook freely. It fits most standard pans and even lets you add ingredients without lifting the lid. When you're done, just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher, no scrubbing needed. Plus, it doubles as a handy trivet to protect your counters from hot pots and pans. Slice your favorite fruits in seconds with this large 11-inch watermelon cutter. Its wide design handles even the biggest melons, giving you perfect slices every time. Lightweight and comfortable to hold, it features a non-slip grip and is dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Use it not just for watermelon, but also for pineapple, oranges, or even bread and pizza. Fast, easy, and fun. It's the ultimate tool for fruit lovers and family picnics. Breakfast just got way easier. This rapid egg cooker lets you make soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs exactly how you like them. No guesswork, no waiting on a pot. You can poach, scramble, or even make a mini omelet in minutes. It shuts off automatically when done, so you never overcook. Compact and easy to clean. It's perfect for quick mornings or lazy weekend brunches. Shake Time just got an upgrade. This electric shaker bottle mixes your protein powder into a smooth, clump-free drink with the push of a button. The built-in vortex spins fast to blend even thick powders, giving you perfect consistency every time. It's USB-C rechargeable, waterproof for easy rinsing, and even lights up while mixing, making your post-workout routine way more fun and effortless. Who knew salad prep could be this easy? This nylon lettuce chopper slices through a whole head of lettuce in seconds. No knife, no fuss. The serrated blades keep your greens crisp and fresh instead of wilted or brown. Its comfy handle gives you great control while you chop right in the bowl. When you're done, just toss it in the dishwasher and call it a day. Mornings just got a lot simpler. This rapid egg cooker handles everything: boiled, poached, scrambled, or even omelets with zero hassle. You can cook up to 6 eggs at once, and it automatically shuts off when they're ready, so there's no guesswork. Cleanup's easy with its removable trays, and the compact size fits perfectly in any kitchen or dorm. Fast, foolproof eggs every single time. Turn your coffee or cookies into art with this clever handheld food printer. It lets you print custom designs, logos, or even text right onto drinks, macarons, or cakes, all in seconds. The built-in roller adapts to curved surfaces, so your prints stay neat and sharp. Connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, choose your design, and start creating. It's compact, easy to carry, and perfect for personal or cafe use. Imagine pouring beer that looks and tastes like it came straight from a pub tap. This draft beer dispenser transforms any can or bottle into a creamy, nitro-style pour with rich micro foam on top. It enhances flavor, aroma, and texture in seconds. Works with all kinds of beer, from lagers to stouts, and runs on USB or batteries. Perfect for home bars, parties, or even camping nights. Your mornings just got smarter. This grind and brew coffee maker handles everything, from grinding fresh beans to delivering a perfect cup with barista-level precision. You can choose between a single cup or a full pot, and the thermal carafe keeps it hot for hours. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you start brewing straight from your phone, so your coffee's ready when you are. Every sip tastes freshly ground and perfectly balanced. Boiling water has never looked this good. This glass electric kettle brings both style and speed to your countertop, boiling water in just minutes. The built-in tea infuser lets you steep your favorite loose leaf blends right inside the pot, while the keep warm function keeps your drink hot for up to an hour. LED lights show when it's heating or ready. Safe, sleek, and spill-free. Perfect for everyday use. Cold coffee? Not on your watch. This smart mug warmer keeps your drink at the perfect temperature with 3 easy heat settings you can adjust using a simple knob. The tempered glass panel is waterproof, sleek, and easy to clean, making it ideal for your desk. Color-coded lights show exactly how warm your drink is. And with auto shutoff, you can sip worry-free all day long. Messy oil bottles are a thing of the past. This clever dispenser lets you pour, measure, and control your oil with precision. No drips, no waste. Just press the built-in pump to fill the measuring chamber, then pour exactly what you need. The clear glass body shows how much is left, and the wide neck makes refilling easy. Perfect for cooking, baking, or dressing salads without the mess. Meet your new kitchen coach. This smart food scale doesn't just weigh your ingredients, it helps you track calories, macros, and up to 19 key nutrients through a free connected app. Whether you're cooking, baking, or managing your diet, it gives you instant feedback right on your phone. The stainless steel surface is durable and easy to clean, and the sensors deliver pinpoint accuracy every time. Wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread without lifting a finger. This automatic bread maker mixes, kneads, and bakes everything for you. Choose your crust shade, loaf size, and one of 12 menu options for bread, cake, or even pizza dough. The easy LCD screen keeps you in control, and the non-stick pan makes cleanup a breeze. Homemade baking just got way simpler and way more fun. Running out of pantry space? This collapsible storage container is the clever fix you didn't know you needed. It expands to hold rice, grains, or even pet food, then folds down when empty to save room. The airtight lid and silicone seal keep everything fresh and pest-free, while the clear hatch lets you see exactly what's inside. Built-in wheels and a handle make moving it effortless. Keep your pantry neat and your food fresher for longer with this smart storage set. Each container seals tight to lock in freshness and keep out moisture. The built-in pouring spout lets you serve rice, cereal, or pet food without spills, and the lid doubles as a handy measuring cup. Made from BPA-free plastic, they're durable, safe, and easy to stack. Organization just got a serious upgrade. Brew like a pro right at home. This sleek Gooseneck Kettle gives you total control with 5 precise temperature presets for perfect coffee or tea every time. The ergonomic handle and narrow spout make pour-over brewing effortless and mess-free. It keeps your water warm for up to an hour, so there's no rush. Made from stainless steel inside and out, it delivers pure flavor, never a hint of plastic. Turn veggies into delicious, healthy noodles with this easy spiralizer. Just twist your favorite vegetable, and it instantly transforms into carb-free pasta, perfect for stir-fries, salads, or light dinners. 2 stainless steel blades let you choose between thick or thin strands, while the spiked holder keeps your grip secure. It works great with zucchini, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Simple, compact, and fun to use. Healthy eating has never been this effortless. Turn your air fryer into a mini barbecue with this stainless steel skewer rack. It holds up to 30 skewers at once, letting you grill juicy, evenly cooked meat without the smoke or mess. The circular hanging design maximizes space, ensuring every piece gets perfect heat circulation. Made from durable stainless steel, it's easy to clean, reusable, and gives your favorite dishes that grilled perfection, all indoors. Make pasta night extra special with this clever ravioli press. It lets you craft perfectly sealed restaurant-style ravioli right at home, stuffed with anything from cheese and herbs to savory meats. Just lay the dough, add your filling, press, and pop out 12 flawless pieces in one go. The sturdy frame seals each edge neatly, so no leaks, no mess, just pillowy homemade perfection every time. Here's a genius little trick for anyone who cooks often. This stainless steel soap bar actually removes strong odors like garlic, onion, or fish from your hands in seconds. Just rub it under running water like a regular soap, and the stainless steel naturally neutralizes smells. It's reusable, mess-free, and surprisingly effective. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.